Hello, my fans. Make we run through this particular problem quick as e hot. Now, they say in the figure above, this figure where they see like this, angle CBD, CC, CB, CD now equal to angle EBF, CE, CB, CF. So wetin they try tell you be say angle CBD, maybe this particular angle wey you see here, maybe this one, this angle wey you see like this. Now equal to this angle wey you see like this. So that means this anything with this one get, now so this thing will get. Anyone with this one get, now waiting this guy will get. Remember, I don't draw this one to scale. I just sketch am like that. We just not say this angle now equal to this angle. No go ask and say, okay, why the thing with the inside and not be the same thing? They don't already give you information which will help you if you find this one. They say, what is the measure of angle CBF? CBF. Let me say the entire angle. Because they don't tell you this one is equal to this one, and don't tell you this one is A. So it will be entire angle. You understand that kind of thing? What I want to teach you now for this particular video. If na the first time you come for my channel with this, thank you very much for visiting. I will hit the subscribe button and like this particular video. Very important. If you be returning subscriber, you try. They support me very well. Thank you for liking my video, supporting me, sharing my video. God bless you. Oh yeah, now make we do am. Make sure say hit the like. Now the like will encourage make we reach 1,000 likes for this particular video. Yeah, now make you run out. So what will happen now? The first thing we go want to do now to make sure say you equate this one to this one, because they don't tell you say this one now equal to this one, this angle now equal to this angle. Like I run and again, may no forget. They say CBD, CCBD. Let me this angle. Write and out. Write and out. Solution. I don't write solution for my mind. So now the solving I don't do now. This angle now equal to this other angle. EBF. Maybe this one. Write them out. A plus 9. You don't do better job if you do this thing. So you now, normally, if you see this thing, I constantly make you find a shaping and collecting of like terms you go on do. If you collect like terms, thing where they talk for your mouth, they're very important. You know when they say carry a jump, come this side, carry this one, jump, come this side. Which leg where they get to carry jump, my fans? Try and reason and my fans. Okay, so what you could do is instead of to talk about those jump stuff we they do, just say, okay, make you come out A here. How I want to come out A. Now to use minus A. Carry come out A. But you know go just carry minus A, come they write for where minus A no, they come they introduce minus A. Anything we do for this side, I go do for this side. As I introduce minus A, I go still introduce minus A, meaning subtracting A from both sides of the equation. But if you want to do that while your own way they do, carry get your A, do am get your own, pass your exam. But that they teach you the right thing. So what will happen? 2A minus A will give me A. Then minus this 6 equal to A minus A now 0. What will remain here? Now 9. So if one get A, I know say you don't begin the jump, say minus 6 will cross, come this side. That person, that teacher will teach us this thing for secondary school. You know go better for that person. How you go say this thing go jump? You know tell us the truth. How this thing take climb, come this side, come change to plus, come they add with 9. The thing will happen there now be say you go need to add 6 to both sides. They add 6 to both sides because nothing they jump. So minus 6 plus 6. Because you want common 6, now make it add 6 to both sides. So minus 6, if you're not plus, now use minus 6 that you go use for both sides. You understand that one now? So minus 6 plus 6 will give you 0. Which will remain now A. A now will be equal to 6. 9 plus 6 will give you 15. So our A now, CA, right there. So that means this A now 15 degrees. You don't make progress. Now, if A na 15 degrees, it means say it would be possible make you quick get the real value of this particular. Remember, say anything we get here, then go still there. So as we don't get our A now, it go be simple for us to get this real angle with there. No, this will not be the value of angle now. A now variable, so you need to find the original angle. So carry the value of this A we get as 15. Put inside A for this one. Remember here we get 2A minus 6. So anyway I see A, I go put 15. So I'll say 2 into 15. Bracket will open here now times, so if you still do 2 times 15, then minus 6. I beg you don't like this video, make you not forget now, hit the like button. I beg. If you never subscribe too. So 2 times 15 at 30, I be 30 minus 6 will give you waiting. Talk now, 24, I be 24 degrees. So that means this place now 24 degrees. If here now 24 degrees, here will be 24 degrees. My fans, now why? Because they don't tell us say this angle dey equal to this angle dey equal to this angle. But if you still want doubt, you want sure, you want prove am, you see say na here na a plus 9, a plus 9, and our a now, we don agree say na 15. So anywhere I see a, you put 15 plus this 9. Shebi go give you still 24. Na still 24 e go give you. So you say everywhere set, everywhere good. So finally, remember say na this entire angle wey dey find, the whole of this angle na e dey find. Wey be this angle CBF. CBF. Let me say na all the angle. How you want to get the answer, my fans? Just say add this 24 to this 15 to this 24. That means 24 plus 24 plus 15 equal to. Shebi 24 plus 24 will give us 48. My fans, 48 plus 15, maybe 63. That's 63 now. That's 63 will give you 63 degrees. Let me say the entire angle. If you just conclude though, write down. Therefore, angle CBF equal to 63 degrees. You will just get, you will all win. You will all make them for life. I go live for you. You enjoy the video, abi? Normally, suppose enjoy them. Encourage me. Make other people see them, other students, make them follow learn from me too. First thing, like them. So if you never subscribe, subscribe. If you never turn on the notification bell, turn on this bell so that if I upload video, you will see say I don't show. So you will see that like bell, hit them, turn am on. When you turn am on, finish, select all. Anytime I post, you will click receive notification. Where they post almost every day, both the short video and this one. So finally, you will share them to group chat to everywhere, make them go follow you learn. Me, I don't come out.